4-month baby sleep regression, how to survive the changes. If your baby once slept soundly but now wakes often, you may wonder what changed. Many parents face this sudden shift around the 4th month. You are not alone, and the change is both expected and manageable. What is the 4-month sleep regression? The 4-month sleep regression is a phase when a baby's sleep pattern becomes more mature. Night wakings increase and naps grow shorter. Though tiring, it signals healthy development. How can you manage 4-month sleep regression in your baby? 1. Bedtime routine. A steady evening routine signals your baby that the day is winding down. A warm bath, a simple story, or gentle rocking can set the tone. 2. Daytime feeding. Many babies wake from hunger at night. Offering more frequent feeds during the day can help them sleep longer once the lights go out. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Independent sleep. Place your baby in the crib while they are drowsy but still awake. This will teach them how to drift off without being fully held or rocked to sleep. 4. Comfortable sleep environment. Keep the room dark, quiet, and comfortably cool. A gentle white noise sound can soften sudden noises and help your baby stay settled. 5. Predictable schedule. Regular nap times and a consistent bedtime help create a sense of order. Babies often respond well to steady rhythms. 6. Day and night awareness. Natural light during the day and dim light in the evening help your baby learn the difference between daytime activity and nighttime rest. 7. Be responsive to crying. When your baby cries in the night, attend to them. They need comfort and the reassurance that a familiar person is near. 8. Practice patience. This stage does not last forever. It helps to remind yourself that your baby is not forming bad habits. They are simply learning a new pattern. 9. Reach out when you need support. Share night duties when possible. Short breaks can help you stay calm and focused. The 4-month sleep regression can feel tiring, but it marks an important step in your baby's development. Keep leaning on what works and ask for help when you need it.